Hello, 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 beautiful people. It is Monique coming to you today to show you a little bit of the results I've been getting the past couple of days. Sorry, guys, I'm not feeling well. If I'm looking a little. If you don't know me, my name is Monique, and I am an entrepreneur. Here I am right here, my best day. And my website is partnerwithmonique.com. If you are interested in creating a full-time income for yourself on autopilot, I suggest you check out that website because I have a turnkey step-by-step system here that is bringing results to everyone that comes under me as well as around me. In my group here, I have the Freedom Takers group where you are able to see everybody is making a great income. This person had a diamond member, which is $100 commission. Gold, which is a $20 commission residually. So that's going to come in every single month without her doing any additional work. And then we have a fast start bonus, which is a $400 commission. So she made all this today. And then you can go ahead and take a look at this. These are more people that are killing it. And you can send me a message on Facebook if you would like to get added to the group, if you want to see these people live, if you want to see the money you're missing out on. Go ahead, let me know, and I will hook you up and get you attached to the group. But if you want to join, if you want to be one of the testimonials here, I advise you to go ahead and check out partnerwithmonique.com, and you will be making money right along with us. So I have a couple. This is an additional $40. If you don't know, the gold member is a $20 commission and it's residual. So in addition to the income I'm already making, I had just 2 days ago, I made an additional $40 residual. So these are people making money for me on autopilot. They're going to make money and I'm going to get 50% of whatever they make, as well as I'm going to get residual off of them making their money. So, and I never talk to these people. So, and I have 100 people interested in the opportunity, 19 people the next day. I'm getting, 50 or so today. It is an amazing system, I have to say. And like I said, it's very easy, step-by-step, turnkey system that you can duplicate. All you have to do is join my group and I will show you all my secrets, all my tips on how to get tons and tons of results, as well as people in my group. We are all able to help in some way. We all want everyone to succeed. This is a very tight-knit group. It's not just a bunch of people who are about to hit 3,000, but don't for a second think that that means that everybody's disconnected. Some people are making money, some people are making nothing. No, every day I come in my group, people are winning. Hear me when I tell you that. So yeah, if you are interested in getting locked into the system and making an additional, I would say 500 to 3,000 a week, go ahead and check out profitwithmo.com and I will show you everything you need to go ahead and get locked in. I will hold your hand. I will be there for you along the way, and you will have that financial freedom that you're finally looking for in the system, because it's very hard to find a trustworthy system nowadays. Everybody says it's easy. You can do this, with your eyes closed while you're asleep. This is actually a done-for-you funnel that will make you money for years and years and years to come. So easy. My kid can do it. Okay, I'm a single mom and I don't have time to sit on the computer all day, trying to convince people all day. This system allows so much free time for me, yet at the same time giving me that full-time income I had when I was working a 40-hour-a-week job. So again, check out the website, message me on Facebook, email me at partnerwithmonique@gmail.com, whatever you would like as your favorite form of contact me and I will get you locked in, get you more information. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good Monday.